So we just bought this new ice maker to try out about 1 month ago from EUHOMY. We paid about $150 for ours, but I'll leave a link down below with current pricing and more information because chances are it's going to be on sale by the time you see this video. And as you can see, it doesn't take up a lot of space, fits pretty good on our kitchen counter. It seems to be packaged pretty well, so you don't have to worry about it being damaged during shipping or anything like that. Of course, inside the box, you've got a user guide. They do show how to remove everything and take out the power cord, but really it makes sense once you see it in person, so you probably won't need that. They also include a small ice scooper, which works surprisingly better than I was expecting. There's really only two pieces. You've got the top, which opens up, and then the ice bucket that goes inside. It's got a larger vent there on the back, and then a smaller circle vent there on the side. It also has a drain there at the bottom, which has a silicone flap underneath. It's really easy to just set it next to the sink and drain it right there. Now, before you use this, make sure you clean everything inside, including the ice bucket. I've been using one of my drink cups to fill it up with filtered water. I think this is about 24 ounces, and it takes about 1.5 to 2 cups to fill up, I think. You just press the button right there on the front, and it starts doing its thing to fill it up. Within minutes, it will start popping out some ice. Just keep in mind, this definitely takes a while to fill all the way up. I feel like it's about an hour to fill it up about halfway. Obviously, there's some variables there, but just make sure to keep an eye on it because I know sometimes the ice will build up there where it comes out and it'll say that the ice is full, but once you push the ice around a little bit to level it out, it'll start making more ice to fill it up further. Now for us, we actually take the ice and put it into baggies and then throw it in the freezer. Then to use it later, you just sort of have to break it up. Just make sure when you put the ice in the baggie to drain most of the water because the ice will stick together. I know my wife usually uses this to make her loaded tea, which I guess they're okay. I feel like they're a little strong for my taste. Kind of reminds me of Kool-Aid, but she seems to really like this machine. And we haven't had any issues or anything like that so far after about 1 month of use. I'll probably have to do an update video if anything else comes up, or maybe just 6 months from now to let you know how things are going. But yeah, so far this one feels like pretty good quality for the price.